Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this new Dracula Mater from Mattel. Hi Mater. Well, hello Miss Sally. Mater, what are you wearing? Why, this here is my Halloween costume. I'm going to the pumpkin patch. Wanna come with? Sure, we'll go, but I think we need to get dressed up too. Alright, I'll be a pirate. And I'm going as Minnie Mouse. That looks pretty nice. Now let's give McQueen a hook. Now let's make some pumpkins using orange Play-Doh. Dadgum, this is awesome! Mater, wait for me! Hey, have you seen Mater? I'm taking this one. I found my pumpkin. This one is perfect for me. No, not this one. Yeah, this one is awesome. Now it's time to decorate the pumpkins, starting with McQueen's pumpkin. And now Sally's pumpkin. Let's move on to Mater's pumpkin. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more cars right here on Disney Collector.